Welcome to Mel Bear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and easy tumbler that is made from things from the dollar store. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. So today we are going to make a snow globe tumbler from a Dollarama tumbler, from just a cheap Dollarama tumbler. These are $2.50, and they already actually have some fairly nice glitter in here, so I'm going to add some liquid to this so it's like a drip tumbler, and I'm going to add a little more glitter to it as well so it's a little more festive. And this is a pretty cheap tumbler, so we are not expecting Starbucks quality on this tumbler. I expect it to maybe last the Christmas season, but we'll see. If it leaks, it may be just fine. So with this, I use a 5/16 drill bit. And this is probably the hardest part of doing this. Just got to be really careful that you don't drill right through the tumbler and hit the inner wall, otherwise your tumbler's ruined. So just take it slow. So what I think I'm going to do is, with this one, I just want it to be like a nice flow tumbler. So I'm just going to mix up a glue and water mixture with a little bit of a fine sparkle, like an iridescent. I'm going to use this one. It's a fine glitter from Recollections, and it's just an iridescent powder. Alright, so I've mixed up a little bit of the glitter into my little squeeze bottle. And then I've mixed up, my mixture I use is about a tablespoon of glue to about a 1/4 cup of water. And we're just going to put it into this little bottle so we can get our glitter in there easier. And for my glitter and the squeeze bottle, I just cut the top off it a little more and then just widened it out so the glitter will come through the hole. I have a whole tutorial on this if you look at my other videos. And then we're just going to put that up to the hole and just squeeze it out. And we may need to refill this a couple times with the glue and water mixture. Alright, so we've got our tumbler full, and we're just going to wipe the top off with alcohol, and then we're going to seal it with our UV resin. Alright, so I've added a Gorilla Glue dot onto there, and then I'm going to use my UV resin to give that a good seal. And I'm going to put some glitter onto that so it looks a little more festive. A little spin with my toothpick. And then we're going to hit it with the UV light. And here is our finished tumbler. I think this is very pretty, and with how easy it was, it's a very quick little project to do in an afternoon. Very festive. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.